Namaste students, welcome to your online math class. Today topic numbers. So numbers we want to using addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now we are observe today same multiplication by but um, uh, we can implement the method lattice algorithm. How to do the lattice algorithm? So we observed that means we listen Vedic max, speed max, lattice method, more than types of product we are observed. Okay, heard. Okay, so now how to implement the lattice algorithm? Now I will explain. Now you see, lattice algorithm multiplication of two digit by a two digit numbers. So two digit numbers are two digit numbers all product பண்ணனும்னா lattice algorithmic method ல how to do I will explain. So 48 into 36. So 48 is a two digit numbers, 36 is a two digit numbers. Okay, two digit numbers are two digit numbers all product பண்றோம். That how to implement the lattice algorithm means first of all we want to draw the grade. So next grade means that is multiplicand is the column and multiplier applied to the rows. So how many rows and columns needed depends to the question we should decide it. So 48 two digit numbers, so two columns multiplicand, 48 is a multiplicand, 36 is a multiplier, correct? So how many columns needed means multiplicand depends to the multiplicand. Okay, 48 two digit numbers, so two columns needed, 36 is a multiplier, so that is needed to two columns, sorry, two rows. Okay, so first of all you draw the big grade. So we decided depends to the question we want to draw the grade. Okay, then next we will draw the top corner. Top corner means right hand side top corner to left hand side bottom. We want to draw the diagonals. That is that for the rules. So நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் பாக்ஸ் எடுக்கிறோன்னா அதில் diagonals we want to draw னா டாப் கார்னரோட லோ பாட்டத்தை ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, தட் இஸ் த diagonal lines. ஸோ we want to draw the diagonal. ஸோ நம்ம அந்த rectangle or square shaped grade finish பண்ண after we want to draw the diagonals. Okay, then next multiplicand 48. So multiplicand 48 means, so in the top place you want to write 48, then multiplier 36. So in the first place and the row grade side left first number 3, one more number 6 we want to write. So 8 3s are what? 8 3s are 24. 24 அந்த diagonal ஓட எபோல டென்ஸ் இப்போ 24 ரைட் பண்ணுறோன்னா 4 இஸ் ஏ யூனிட் பிளேஸ். அந்த டயக்னல் பிலோவில் யூனிட் பிளேஸையும் எபோல டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ் நம்பர்ஸையும் ரைட் பண்ணணும். தட் இஸ் ஏ ப்ரொசீஜர். ஓகேவா, நெக்ஸ்ட் 4 3s are 12. ஸோ 2 இஸ் ஏ யூனிட் பிளேஸ், 1 இஸ் ஏ டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ். ஸோ டயக்னலோட பிலோவில் யூனிட் பிளேஸையும் எபோல டென்ஸ் பிளேஸையும் வி வாண்ட் டு ரைட். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் சேம் மெத்தட் 6 also. So 3 ஆல் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண சேம் மெத்தடில் we want to product of the 6. So 8 6 are 48. Okay, so we know that the procedure 48 you want to write, then 4 6 are 24 as well as that also we want to write. Okay, then how to write the solution? So in the diagonal you want to produce here, produce பண்ணு லைனை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். Then now you see the diagonal produce பண்ண after here this place have 8 as well as you want to write, then the diagonal place 4 plus 4 plus 4 12 we want to write means add of that number. The slanting line உள்ள numbers first of all we want to add. இப்போ 4 plus 4 plus 4 12 2 keep here, then 1 remaining 1 you should add the another slanting line, correct? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 you write, then 1 as plus. So now we get the solution 1728. Okay, did you understand, student? One more question. Multiple 18 into 24. So multiplicate 18, multiplier is 24. So 2 digit multiplier. So we want 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, column means we know that how to draw means 2 columns needed means 3 vertical line we want to write, 2 rows we want to means 3 sleeping line we want to write. Okay, so 2 columns 2 rows we got. So now you implement the top position we want to write the multiplicand, the side position we want to write the multiplier. Okay, then next we want to draw the diagonal lines. Okay, we know that the procedure, so as well as we draw the lines, then you write the numbers, product of the numbers. 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 1 2s are 2. 8 2s are 16 is 2 digit numbers, 1 in the tens place, 6 is a ones place. So diagonal above and below is a unit place, above is a tens place, we know that. But 1 2s are 2, 2 is a 1 digit numbers. So in front of you put write 0. 1 digit numbers we got means you take in front of put 0. Now you take 2 digit number 0 2. Okay, as well as diagonal before the first numbers below the second numbers we want to write, as well as same 8 4s are what, 8 1s are what, product of that numbers we get. Produce the slanting line. Okay, produce the slanting line. Then 2 as well as 4, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 3, keep here 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 0 4, 4 keep here 0 as well as. So now we get the solution 432, that means 432. Understood, students? நம்ம சொல்யூஷனை ரைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பிஃபோராக எப்போதுமே நம்ம ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் நம்ம அந்த ரைட் பண்ணுறோம், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு நம்ம மல்டிப்ளிகேண்ட் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணுறோம், தென் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணி 1 ஸ்விட்ச் பிளேஸ் 10 ஸ்விட்ச் பிளேஸ் டிசைட் பண்ணி அங்கே பிளாட் பண்ணுறோம். Okay, diagonal lines produce பண்ணி we want to write the solution also. Then final solution how to write means we take the L shape. L shapeல up to below நம்ம நம்பர்ஸை ரைட் பண்ணணும். சரியா, 432 தான் ரைட் பண்ணணும், 234 ரைட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. கரெக்டாக 432. ஸோ 432 is a correct answer. I hope you understand, I think, students. Then one more question. Multiple 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using lattice algorithm. Lattice algorithm இப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணி 3-digit numbers-ஐ 1-digit numbers-ஆல் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். சரியா? Now you see, students. Okay. Now you see 232 into 9. Okay. So multiplicand is a 3-digit numbers. Okay. We want to draw the 3 column. 9 is a 1 digit, so we want 1 row. So first of all we want to draw the grid, then you write the numbers in upstairs. 2 8 2, correct. Next multiplier 9 is write the grid inside. Okay, now 2 9s are 18. We know that how to write that number, so you produce the line. Okay, 1 is above the diagonal, 8 is below the diagonal, as well as same 8 9s are 72, that also same. 2 9s are 18, that also same. Now you see 8 as well as. Okay, now you see the slanting position. 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 8 15, 5 here, remaining 1, 1 plus 1 2. So now you write the L shape, 2538, that means 2538 is a solution, ma. Okay, one more question. 647 into 6. Okay, so now you see, students, multiplicand is 3-digit numbers, multiplier is a one digit number. So how many rows and columns needed? Correct. Exactly. 3 column, 1 row we need, So first of all, 3 column needed means you should draw 4 lines. Okay. Next 1 rows we want means 2 sleeping line. Okay. So the multiplicand you write the upstairs 6 4 7. 6 is a multiplier, that is right in the side of the graph. Okay, next as well as we want to draw the diagonal lines. Correct, students? Very good. Now as well as 7 6 are 42. How to write? We know that you want to write 4 6 are 24. How to write? We know that 6 6 are 36. How to write? We know that. So we want to write that correct position. Then produce the slanting line. Diagonal lines produce பண்றோம். Then you write the solution. 2 as well as 4 plus 4 8. 6 plus 2 8. 3 as well as. Very good. Next, how to write? 3882. That is the solution. So L shape line draw பண்ணி after up to below you should read the numbers. 3882 3882. That is the solution, ma. Okay, one more question. 52 into 49. So now you see, students, 2 digit numbers is given, multiplier and multiplicate also 2 digit numbers. So we know that how many rows and columns needed. So you should draw the graph and now implement it to the numbers. Then as well as your product of the numbers. 2 4s are 8. 8 means 8 is a one digit. So in front of you put 0. For 0, which place we want to write? 8 as well as we know that you can write 5 4s are 20. That also same. Okay. Next 2 9s are 5 4 9s are we want to write as well as produce the slanting line. Then you write the solution. Okay. Then one more question. 347 into 5. Good. Now you say how many rows and columns needed? Very good. 3 digit numbers is given. So 3 column is needed. Multiply 3 digit numbers. Correct? So 3 column needed. Multiply one number. So 1 numbers is needed. Okay. Then as well as we want to draw the diagonal lines. Okay, va? Diagonal line produce பண்றோம். Next 7 5s are 35. 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 15. Correct, amma? Okay. Then 5 as well as 0 plus 3 3. 5 plus 2 7. 1 as well as. Now we got the solution 1735. How to read? 1735. Very good. One more question. 127 into 7. Now you say how many rows and columns needed? I hope you understand, I think. Good. So we need 3 multiplicate. We have 3 multiplicate, 1 multiplier. Correct? So 3 columns is needed. 3 column means we want to draw 4 vertical line. Correct, amma? Then 2 sleeping line. So 1 row we want to know. So you draw 2 sleeping line. Now you write the top position 1 2 7. The multiplier is 7. Okay, then you draw the diagonal lines. Next 7 7s are 49. 2 7s are 14. 1 7s are 7. 7 is a one digit number. In front of you put 0. Appo diagonal before 0, after 7. Okay, below 7. Okay, now you write the solution 9 as well as 4 plus 4 8, 7 plus 1 8, zeros no values, so now you write the solution 889 889. புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியுதாடா இந்த கொஷின்ஸ் லாட்டிஸ் அல்காரிதம் மெத்தடு வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறது உன்னால் எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியுதாம்மா? ஓகே, நவ் I hope 3 sums you will try. Okay, that homework 65 into 37. How many rows and columns needed? Decided depends to the question. Decided for you depends to the question. We want to select how many rows and columns needed. So second one 789 into 4. That also same. Third one 37 into 29. That also same. You will try, students. Thank you.